Fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer.
Without further ado, I would like to introduce myself. Ako si Macarios at ako ang magiging moderator sa gabing ito. Ang ating debate ay sa pagitan ni God Delusion para sa negative at si Overture para sa affirmative. Ang ating pong topic ngayong gabi ay fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer. And welcome to the round table. Ngayong gabi ay pag-uusapan natin ang isang controversial na topic patungkol sa filosofiya at relihiyon. Ito bang intelligent designer o ang fine-tuning ba ay nagpo-point sa isang intelligent designer? Patutunayan ito ni Overture at ito ay pamamalian naman ni God Delusion. At ang ating pong rules sa gabing ito o ang ating format sa gabing ito ay 10-7, 10 minuto ang magiging introduction at 7 minuto naman ang magiging cross-examination. Pagkatapos ng unang cross-examination ay ang ating rebuttal rounds at magiging 10 minuto rin iyon at 7 minuto na naman para sa isang cross-examination. Pagkatapos noon ay bibigyan sila ng 7 minuto para sa kanilang closing statement at susunod na rin ang ating question and answer portion. Meron bang katanungan para sa ating format? God Delusion, Overture?
All good po. Wala, ako po. Okay po ako.
Okay, ang ating timer sa gabing ito ay si Saling Pusa. Ang ating live moderator ay si Indominus Rex at si You Will Die. At ang ating observer ay si Light of Suna at si Toys. Ayan, at ang ating live host para sa transparency ng lahat ay si Beauty o si Serang Sera. Ayan. Handa na kayo at simulan na natin ang debating ito, pero bago yan aking papaalalahanan ng dalawang magdedebate sa gabing ito sa ating mga rules. Bawal po ang ad hominems, alam nyo na yan. Kapag tinatanong kayo ng categorical answer, sumagot muna ng yes or no o kung ano man yung hinihingi ng categorical answer bago ang magpaliwanag. Kung meron kayong objection o merong gustong i-clarify, i-address ang inyong clarification sa moderator, pwedeng mag-counter objection, pero ang desisyon ng moderator ang mananaig sa gabing ito at walang sino man ang pwedeng kumisyon sa magiging desisyon ng moderator para sa ikagaganda o ikabubuti ng ating programa sa gabing ito. Mayroon bang question o anything na gusto nyo sabihin sa ating rules, God Delusion at Overture?
All good po. Okay lang po ako.
Okay. At simulan na natin ang ating debate sa pagpapakilala sa inyong mga sarili. 1 minuto ang ating ibibigay para kay Overture. Ipakilala mo ang iyong sarili. Susunod naman at si God Delusion. Go ahead, timer. Overture, ikaw muna.
Good evening po sa lahat, sa ating moderator, aking katunggali, at sa lahat ng narito ngayon. Ako po si Overture. I'm a Christian theist. Ilan po?
Okay, salamat. Overture. Susunod naman si God Delusion. Go ahead, God Delusion.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat, sa mga nanonood po, sa mga moderators po ng round table. Ako po si God Delusion, isa po akong ateista o isa po akong panggatong. Isa po ako sa mga founding members or founding members ng round table at naway sa mga nanonood na ito ngayong gabi, may matutunan kayong bago sa mga usapin o mga debating ganito. No? At sa mga interesado sa mga gantong klaseng topic o debate, I hope you support Roundtable so that you may find topic debate similar to this. So if you're really into this, then Roundtable is a good fit for your FYP. Yun lamang po. Salamat.
Maraming salamat, God Delusion. Okay, timer stop. Sisimulan na natin ang debate natin sa ating unang introduction o magbibigay ng kanyang panimulang pananalita. Siyempre, ang ating affirmative, si Overture, patutunayan niya that fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer. Bibigyan kita ng 10 minuto at ito ay magsisimula ngayon na, Overture.
Pwede pong palakihan ako, Makisuyo. Sorry
Okay po, go ahead. Beauty po ang naka-assign para palakihan ka. Beauty. Okay, simulan na.
Okay. Fine-tuning points to an intelligent design. I invite everyone to approach tonight's debate with an open mind. Allow me to present an argument that highlights how fine-tuning of our universe points to an intelligent designer. Now, what is fine-tuning? Fine-tuning refers to the precise adjustment of physical constants, laws, and initial conditions of the universe to allow for the existence of life. Even slight variation in these parameters would render the universe uninhabitable. Okay, alam nyo na meaning ng fine-tuning. Ito'y review na lang. What are the components of fine-tuning? Una, parameters to be fine-tuned or the conditions. These are variables that need adjustment such as physical constants, gravity, cosmological constant sa cosmology, speed and pressure in machines dito sa what is around us. Number 2, specific outcomes. Ito yung tinatawag na purpose. The desired goal like ensuring life in the universe, maximizing system efficiency, improving performance in machines. Number 3, third component, agent or the fine-tuner. The entity responsible for fine-tuning such as engineer, musician fine-tuning his violin, or in this case, an intelligent designer. Sana kita here are some of the constants in the universe. Nandiyan dyan yung speed of light in vacuum, gravitational constant, Planck constant, elementary charge. Okay. Why does fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer? The precise values of physical constants and life-permitting conditions combined with the intricate layers of precise calibration strongly point to the intentionality of guiding intelligence behind the universe. Bigyan natin ng ilang halimbawa. Gravitational constant, which is 6.67 or 6.674 times 10 to the negative 11 Newton per meter kilogram squared. If the gravity were slightly stronger, stars would burn out too quickly, collapsing into black holes before life could evolve. Kung mas mahina naman, so yun mas malakas. Kung mas mahina, stars and planets would not form at all, leaving no stable environments for life to develop. Ano pa? Ang isa sa constants that can affect life. Cosmological constant or the lambda. If larger, the universe would expand too quickly, preventing the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets. Basically, wala kang titirahan. If smaller, the universe would collapse into singularity before stars or planets could form. Ikatlo, strong nuclear force. Ang sabi nga, if it was 2 to 3% stronger, hydrogen would convert entirely into helium, preventing the formation of water and organic molecules essential for life. If it's 2 to 3% weaker, no elements heavier than hydrogen would form, making complex chemistry impossible, and thus life. Here are the explanations of where fine-tuning points to. Number 1, chance. Number 2, necessity. Number 3, multiverse. Number 4, intelligent designer. Now, why not chance? Renowned physicist Roger Penrose argued that the extreme improbability of universe's fine-tuning suggests it cannot be a result of random chance and requires an explanation beyond standard physical theories. The alternative, that it happened purely by chance, is mathematically untenable. To To put this into perspective, achieving the precise combination of these constants is comparable to hitting a bullseye the size of an atom from across the entire observable universe. And by the way guys, 23 billion light years lang naman yan. Now, ano pa ang isa sa katulad nito? It's like filling up this planet with white sand. Then try to pick up that one black sand by chance. Nagtatapos na ba nun? Now, do it 6 times or all at the same time. Ganon ka astronomically improbable. Okay? Number 2. Why not due to necessity? There is no scientific theory that requires physical constants and laws and initial conditions of the universe the way they are because they could not have been otherwise. Sabi nga, these values seem arbitrary and lack of theoretical framework to dictate them suggest they could have different values without violating any fundamental physical laws. Bilisan na natin. Why the multiverse is not a valid explanation? The multiverse theory is flawed, not only due to lack of evidence, but also because it fails to explain why life-supporting constants align in any given universe. It shifts the problem by assuming that with infinite universes, life-supporting ones will naturally occur without offering real explanation. Ang sabi nga, it's like saying, kaya may 777 dahil may numbers 1 to 1,000. Ganun lang binitawan ang explanation ng multiverse. Next. Why is the intelligent design the most rational explanation? Intelligent design proposes that the universe fine-tuning is not a product of chance or natural necessity, but the result of a deliberate intelligence. The extraordinary precision, again, the extraordinary precision of physical constants essential for life points to intentionality, suggesting that such improbable conditions couldn't arise without a purposeful force behind them. And the layers of fine-tuning imply a deeper purpose and intention, suggesting the precise conditions for life are designed rather than random. In conclusion, my aim is not to define the designer, but to demonstrate that the intentionality behind the design, coupled with precise constants, points to the existence of an intelligent designer. The remarkably precise values of fundamental constants cannot be adequately explained by chance, necessity, or multiverse theories. Intelligent design stands as the most compelling explanation. Thank you. I waive the rest of my time.
Okay, maraming salamat kung wini-wave mo na ang iyong time, ang remaining time mo, Overture, ano? Balik natin ang ating banner bago tayo magsimula sa next item natin. Okay, ang ating magiging next na activity would be our cross-examination by negative to affirmative. Ready ka na, Overture at God Delusion? 7 minuto?
Yes po, ako po magtatanong po, no?
Apo, negative to affirmative, no? Magtatanong ka dun sa nilatag ni Overture. Meron kang 20 seconds para sumagot, Overture. Remind ko lang, kapag categorical, kahit yes or no, or kung ano pa man yan, sagutin muna yung categorical question bago ang paliwanag. Kung merong objection, i-address ang objection sa akin para mapastop ko ang time. Okay? Ready na? Okay, go ahead. Timer starts.
Okay. First question, Overture. Yung claim mo that fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer, do you assert this claim with objectivity in mind as you defend them tonight? Yes or no, categorical?
Yes.
Okay. Next question. With this supposed fine-tuning of the universe, do you claim that an intelligent designer as the primary causer or mover is the only known or possible reason for such fine-tuning? Yes or no, categorical?
As I presented, no, because as I presented a while ago, I presented you three other explanations. That is your question.
Alright, okay. So, regarding your claim na it points to an intelligent designer, are you aware that this line of reasoning is also known it is also known as the design hypothesis? Yes or no, categorical?
What do you mean by saying as the design hypothesis? I think that
Last
is
time
not
po,
right.
ikaklaro ko lang po.
Pakiklaro.
Ikaklaro ko lamang po, no? Yung line of reasoning mo, ang tinutukoy ko po dito, aware ka ho ba that this line of reasoning is also considered in some papers as the design hypothesis? Are you aware of this?
Okay.
Yes or no? Categorical.
Wait lang, naka-pause time tayo, no? So ang question niya, aware ka daw ba na ang tawag doon ay design hypothesis according to some paper? Do you have any clarification to that, Overture? Or you're good to answer? Overture? Naka-mute ka.
Oh, sorry, commute pala. Okay.
You're ready to answer? That's a category.
Yes, in a way, because
Okay, hold on. Start time.
okay. As I presented, fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer. So, it's the way it's the way as I presented it.
Okay, sige. Since next question na tayo, but for the sake of this debate, no, I would just refer it as the design hypothesis kasi mahaba yung pinaka-title. Okay, next question. Since you admitted that you are aware of other hypotheses or other explanation for this supposed fine-tuning, is it fair to conclude that we can just say fine-tuning could not only point to an intelligent designer but could also be due to X hypothesis? Yes or no, categorical?
Paki-clarify kasi parang hindi yan ang present ko. I presented three other explanations for fine-tuning.
Okay po, pause time po. Ikaklaro ko lamang po ang tanong ko.
Okay, pause time. Please clarify your question.
So, ang tanong ko lang po kanina, no, is since he admitted that in his presentation naman, he admitted that there are other explanation or other hypotheses as to why the universe is fine-tuned. Therefore, we can tweak the claim itself that fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer. Instead of that, we can tweak that to be fine-tuning could not only point to an intelligent designer but could also be due to this other hypothesis. Yes or no, categorical?
Okay.
No, I think you misunderstood with your indulgence, I think you misunderstood my presentation. It's not the term design hypothesis per se. I'm pertaining to the design. I'm pertaining to an intelligent designer.
Pause time po. Next time na po, next question na po tayo. Okay. Sige. Okay. Sige. Now, next question. Do you agree that your stand here for tonight is reliant upon your perception and understanding regarding the physical constants that you referred earlier? Yes or no, categorical?
Yes.
Okay, next question.
Okay, next question po. Do you accept the working definition of the term subjective as to be dependent upon the mind of an agent or an observer? Yes or no, categorical?
Paki-clarify, what do you mean by subjective in that sense?
Stop time. Okay.
Okay. Ika-clarify ko po, this side of questioning po is just merely to get into terms kung parehas ba kami nang intindi as far as the term subjective means. So this is merely a definition of terms. Tanggap niya po ba yung definition ng subjective refers to it is dependent upon the mind of an agent or an observer? Yes or no, categorical po?
Yes, just to clarify. Yeah.
Okay. Next question na po ba?
Sumagot na siya. Go ahead.
Okay. Sige. Next question. Since you admit that this design hypothesis is reliant upon your perception regarding the physical constant that you referred earlier, and you agreed that something is subjective as long as it is dependent upon the mind, therefore we can conclude that this claim of yours is merely a subjective claim. Yes or no, categorical?
Okay, as much as I don't want to object, clarify ko lang sa'yo, hindi kasi yan yung mga nilatag ko kanina. And I don't know why are you veering in that direction.
Sorry, Overture, is that an objection or an answer to the question?
Yeah, I'm answering his question.
Okay. So,
Pause time po. Okay.
first time. Oh, but sa objection?
So, i-clarify ko lang po, is he saying pass on this question?
Okay, sige. Objection moderator, hindi ko kasi nilatag. My point is, para kasing parang ang dating, nasa kabilang lane ako, siya nasa kabilang lane. So, papaano sasalpukan yung idea natin when I am in the affirmative and then he will question me on the things that I didn't even laid out?
Counter objection po ako, moderator.
Yes po.
Okay. Earlier, the very first question I asked him was that, do you assert your claim that fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer as to be objectively true? Now, I'm presenting to him a question that points, is it really objectively true, or is it merely a subjective claim? That's the importance of this question, moderator.
Okay. As I understood, Overture, this is how it goes on the cross-examination. And I think it doesn't gear outside on the topic that you have. Now, that delusion, I think the line of questioning is not on the basis of what Overture has laid out during the introduction. So I suppose this would be the last question that Overture would answer regarding this line of questioning. Then you have to move forward with other questions. Okay?
Okay po. Fair po, moderator. Ayan.
Yes, next question please.
Next question. Okay. So, last question na lang to, no? Hindi na ako magpapalaki since I still have ample time naman. Next question. Are you aware of the anthropic bias or anthropic principle written by Nick Bostrom, a philosopher, particularly the ensemble hypothesis? Are you aware of this? Yes or no, categorical?
Yes, the anthropic principle.
Okay. So, yun lamang po. I waive my time na po.
Okay. Thank you.
Do I need to answer? Do I need to explain?
No, you've read, the question has already been satisfied, so you don't need to
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
explain. Okay, let's move forward to the next round, which is the presentation of God delusion as negative to the topic fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer. Okay?
Ayan. Alright. So start na tayo, SP. Thank you so much. And good evening everyone, to the moderators and guests of the roundtable. To my opponent as well, magandang gabi po sa lahat. Again, I am God Delusions and I am Natheist. I am here to debate for tonight to negate the claim purported by the affirmative side that the fine-tuning of the universe points to an intelligent designer. Now, for the affirmative side to be successful, to say na successful siya sa pag-defend ng claims niya and eventually sabihin niya na nanalo siya dito, there are two aspects of which I view that he must be successful for him to say he won. No. One, he must be successful on asserting and defending that his claim is objectively true. No. Two, he must then provide without any doubt that the supposed fine-tuning nature of the universe only points to an intelligent designer. Now, let's continue. Let's test your first aspect pa lang. Was he successful on defending and asserting his claim na it is objectively true? Notice in the cross-examination, he dodged that that question pertaining to it. No, because he ascertained earlier during the cross-examination na his line of reasoning here is dependent upon his understanding and perception regarding the physical constants that he referred earlier. And again, ano nga ulit yun? Pag tinatawag nating dependent on the understanding, perception, or the mind of an individual or an agent, it is called to be a subjective claim. No, that's the reason why at best his defense for tonight is his claim for tonight is at best a subjective claim. Now, he may try to rebut this by stipulating, ay hindi naman ako yan yung sinabi ng physical constants, yan yung sinabi ng ganyan. At the end of the day, you would be relying on your understanding, your own perceptions regarding this physical constants. No, because at best, sabi ko nga, it would be only a subjective claim. At the end of the day, what my opponent cannot negate is that for him to make his claim, it must be reliant on someone's understanding and perception. May it be someone or his own understanding. At the end of the day, it relies on someone's perceptions. And that's what he can't negate. That's why my opponent here tonight has failed already in the first aspect. Ngayon, my second opponent could rebut me on this. Sabihin niya, ay, ikaw din naman, nagre-rely ka sa perception and understanding mo. I can just say the same case for you, na your claim is merely a subjective one. That's true. But at the end of the day, you're not really fortifying your own arguments, but you're fortifying mine. That most likely it's so strong that you've decided to use it against myself. No? Parang ang dating niyan, pumasok ka sa sako ko. Hindi lang sa pumasok ka, pumasok ka na, sinarado mo pa. No. So again, it's a fair rebuttal, but at the end of the day, it wouldn't help your case. Now let's test the second aspect. Okay. Again, the second aspect is, was he successful on defending the design hypothesis as the only explanation or the only hypothesis that tries to explain the fine-tuning or the nature of the universe? No then. No. Kasi he admitted naman na may binanggit siya mga hypothesis kanina. No. Pero na-strawman niya, most especially yung ensemble hypothesis o actually binanggit niya yung multiverse theory, pero it's not necessarily what it meant. No. But notice, friends, though, that the mere existence of other hypothesis or other explanation is enough for him to abandon his claim. Abandon to what grounds? Dapat palitan niya na yan. At lipat siya dito sa bago. Ano kamo yung bago? That fine-tuning could not only be due to an intelligent designer, but could also be due to other explanations or other hypotheses. But again, my claim here for tonight is it could be due to an anthropic bias. Ngayon, dapat yan na yung stud mo. Okay? Kasi kung hindi, dalawang aspeto ang maaaring mangyari. One, you would be admitting that you are in favor of one hypothesis than the other, which is a clear favoritism or in some cases, sa ibang lugar at tawag namin dyan, bias. No. Second, if you negate the ensemble hypothesis, which I haven't explained for now, you would be negating me on something that you haven't understood yet. Which, if I'm not mistaken, that's what we call personal incredulity. No. Now, for anyone curious, what the hell is the ensemble hypothesis as provided in the anthropic bias or dun sa reference na binasa ko kanina? It states that the universe we observe is only a small part of the totality of physical existence. No. So how do we contextualize this? Suppose our universe with its own physical constants and its supporting life and so on, no? Tulad na linatag ni Overture. Now think of other universes relative to it with its own physical constants but variegated or different from us. One could imagine infinite number of universes existing relative to ours. But we can all agree that these universes may not be as fine-tuned as ours. Ngayon, i-try natin, i-collect natin yung mga universes na yan. Now, we can all agree since majority of these universes are, or for the lack of better term, shit, in some sense, no, it's not as fine-tuned as ours, it would seem that our universe is fine-tuned. Not inherently per se, but rather, it just seems to be fine-tuned because yung pangit lang katabi niya. No, for example, an analogy, pwede nating sabihin, si Bebang ang pinakamaganda sa klase niya. Si Bebang ang pinakamaganda sa klase niya. Ngayon, atheist would come along and say, well, it was designed by God or it was designed may nagtiktik ng pagbumukha ni Bebang kaya nasabi na maganda yung pagbumukha niya. Or, you could just get the classmates. Tapos tignan mo, kaya ba siya maganda kasi pangit lang kaklase niya? It's the same concept. Notice that we are not negating na maganda ba si Bebang dito. Rather, we are providing an alternative reason as to why we perceive it to be beautiful. Ngayon, Now, some of you might be wondering, hassle naman. Iisipin ko pa ng other universes na nag-i-exist. Dito lang tayo. That's a fair rebuttal. Pero notice that the implication of the ensemble hypothesis is already embedded within the anthropic principle. Ano naman yun? Ano yung anthropic principle? Okay. Anthropic principle is basically saying, in order for us to explain the state and nature of the universe must first allow intelligent beings such as ourselves to exist, that for us to posit the same questions. Notice that the key aspect here is that we observers are necessary for the fine-tuning of the universe. As if it wasn't for the observers, no one could be characterizing it to be fine-tuned. No one to ask, is it really fine-tuned? For all the viewers who are still not convinced by this, think of this. Try to remove the observers in this scenario. Now, since we are not around, I question you this. Who would then ask if the universe is fine-tuned if we are not here? Who would then characterize the universe to be fine-tuned if any intelligent being were to be removed in this scenario? Now, I don't need you to comment down below kung ano yung sasagot nyo, pero I'm sure na wala. Now, if ang sagot nyo ay wala, then you must agree that the key component here is us, the observers. Para klaro, again, the reason why it's fine-tuned is because we're merely pattern-seeking individuals perceiving these physical constants to be fine-tuned. Notice here that in this line of reasoning, I am not negating the supposed fine-tuning of the universe. No. But rather, we are providing an alternative perspective or reasons as to why we perceive it as such. Thank you.
Okay, are you waiving your remaining time, God Delusion, to confirm?
Yes po.
Okay, let's move forward with the next round, which is our cross-examination by affirmative to negative. Are you ready? That's 7 minutes, 20 seconds to answer. Timer will start once the first question has been asked. Go ahead, Overture.
Okay, batay sa nilatag ko na lang kanina, no? If tumaas o bumaba ang constants that affect molecular stability, will we be here to talk about it?
No. Next question po.
I didn't hear your answer.
Ay, okay. Hindi pala ako narinig. No po.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Which is more probable, fine-tuning points to an intellectual designer or by chance?
Objection, moderator. I did not... Okay.
Yes?
Okay. Ang objection ko po dyan, wala po akong linatag that this fine-tuning is due to chance, but rather provided it that we only perceive it as such but not negating the aspect of fine-tuning. Next question.
Counter objection, Overture.
It's actually, part of the topic kasi yan yung essential na inilatag ko kanina. Wala, actually, alam mo yon, ito yung nilatag ko and I'm asking you about this. And then wala ka
So
naman
what's your
kasi-
counter objection, Overture?
My counter objection is these are the essential part nung noong topic eh.
Okay, similar to my decision earlier, I would not allow this question because hindi ito yung nilatag ni God Delusion. Let's move forward with the next question.
You mentioned kanina yung multiverse. You keep on mentioning the multiverse. Okay, which provides better explanation for fine-tuning? Intelligent design or multiverse?
Objection po. To clarify, hindi po yung version ng multiverse ang binention ko but rather the ensemble hypothesis which is clearly a different one. Next question po.
Any counter objection, Overture?
Well, he mentioned the multiverse.
Yeah.
Ito po ba i-explain?
Hold on, God
Anyway.
Delusion, hold on. We are still on a counter objection. Let's hear Overture. What's your counter objection, Overture?
He mentioned the multiverse several times.
Okay, and your question is?
So my question is, why is he dodging yung question about the multiverse?
What was the question? Can you repeat?
Why is he dodging yung question ko about the multiverse?
No, what was the question? Ano yung tanong mo about multiverse?
Okay. which provides a better explanation for fine-tuning, intelligent design, or the multiverse?
Sorry. Hindi ko siya narinig sa context na sinabi ni God Delusion. He's saying na walang fine-tuning. So why are you asking that?
Uulitin ko lamang po, moderator. I am agreeing that the universe is fine-tuned but not through the multiverse na sinasabi niya, but rather, ang minention ko po sa latag ko, ensemble hypothesis. Not
Sorry.
the one that we presented earlier.
So as I understood Overture, so you're answering, so I think the answer to the question in God Delusion is no. Neither.
Moderator, pwede po ba ako sumagot ng mas tama na lang kasi feeling ko mas lalayo tayo.
No, this is a
Sige.
categorical question kasi. So I think ang question ni Overture is ano yung what better explains fine-tuning. Tama ba, Overture? Is it intelligent designer or multiverse? Yun yung question.
Yes.
Okay. With that, I think we can move forward with the next question because hindi yun nga yung sinasagot ni God Delusion dun sa latag niya. Ang sinasagot ni God Delusion is yung ensemble, correct?
Moderator, ensemble hypothesis.
Ensemble hypothesis. Okay, go ahead. Next question.
Yung sinabi mo kanina na kung wala ba ang tao, tama ba? Kung wala ba ang tao, would the statement still be true na fine-tune tayo? Is it yun ba yung sinabi mo?
Ang sinabi ko po is if walang tayo, there would be no one or not no one to categorize or characterize the universe to be fine-tuned. But the physical constants would remain as is. That's what I meant.
Are you aware na wala kang kinontra sa mga present ko? You're just pointing it out.
Shall I answer na po? Okay. Yes, I am aware as already the title already assumes fine-tuning is true. It's now the question, does it point to an intelligent designer or other hypothesis? That's the reason why I provided an alternative hypothesis regarding this fine-tuning. Next question po.
Then to put it in a simple statement, what are the other hypotheses for the fine-tuning?
Ang linatag ko po is anthropic principle or particularly the anthropic bias through the lenses of ensemble hypothesis. Yun po linatag ko. Next question.
Are you aware that the anthropic principle is an example of tautology?
Yes.
Then why use it against something that has an empirical evidence such as the fine-tuning itself?
Because I am not going against fine-tuning as I assert tonight, no. I am going along that the universe is fine-tuned. It's merely an explanation why we perceive it to be as such. Again, my job here is to provide an alternative hypothesis, not points to an intelligent designer. Kailangan ko lang po i-derail yung claim nyo na fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer. Yun lamang po. Next question.
Okay, ano nga yung alternative na explanation mo sa fine-tuning kung hindi intelligent designer? If you will
As I've answered po.
Sige. Okay, kindly answer.
As I've answered po, through the lens of anthropic bias, ginamit ko po specifically na example kanina is the ensemble hypothesis. Next question po.
Wala. Okay. Are you aware na yung ipinipilit mo na explanation is literally wala kang nilatag?
Meron po ako linatag, moderator. Ang linatag ko po is an alternative explanation for the fine-tuning. That is, it is only an anthropic bias. Ang example ko kanina, or the hypothesis na binigay ko, ensemble hypothesis. Therefore, may linatag po ko. Next question po.
Sa fine-tuning, ang banggit ko kanina, batay sa nilatag ko kasi kanina, yung mga explanation sa fine-tuning, inisa-isa kong giniba yung common na notion kung bakit hindi yon, bakit intelligent designer. If you will clarify, ano ang pinaka, kumbaga, ang tawag doon, ano ang pinaka argument mo sa using the ensemble hypothesis?
Objection po, paklaro po, nasan po yung tanong doon?
Can you clarify the question, Overture, please?
Kasi ang isa sa, the way I understand ensemble hypothesis is, binabanggit dyan, there are countless universes, each with different sets of physical constants. Is it that the multiverse also?
Sorry, EE just wanted to clarify the question. So what was the question? Are you confirming if it is the multiverse?
Yes,
Baka po,
yes.
ano po yung question?
Pinapalinaw ko sa kanya, ano ba yung solid niyang argument versus may intelligent design. Kasi na pinapresent ko mula kanina, may intelligent designer na nag-dial nitong mga ano natin, nitong mga constants natin.
No. I just wanted to understand, clarify the question because that's the ask from the negative side. Can you clarify the question?
No, my question is, ano ba talaga yung ina-argue mo against? Because puro tautology lang eh. Parang it cannot even hold water eh. Wala akong masalo.
Okay, Overture.
Na argument.
Sorry. If I ask you a question, it is because I wanted the question to be understood, okay? I am not against what you are asking. I just wanted it to be clarified for it to be answered by the negative side, okay? Just clarify the question para maintindihan ni God Delusion kasi yun yung tinatanong niya. He wanted to be clarified. Can you clarify the question?
Okay, sige. You mentioned ang isa sa sa explanation sa fine-tuning is ensemble hypothesis. Correct?
Yes.
Now, tama ba? Ensemble hypothesis merely says that there are other universes aside from our universe.
Okay po, ito po yung sagot ko dyan. Ang explanation ko po kanina is that if you were to hypothetically think other universes existing relative to ours and all these universes has its own physical constants though, we can all agree that majority of these hypothetical universes aren't as fine-tuned as ours. But if you were looking at it in a bigger picture though, your universe or rather our universe would seem to be fine-tuned not because... Next
question.
Okay. Are you aware na mula kanina, wala kang ibang present na empirically evident aside from the word hypothesis?
Asan po yung tanong doon?
Are you aware
Na ano po?
na wala kang present na something that's empirically evident aside from the word hypothesis?
I am asserting po na may linatag po ako kanina. Yan po sagot ko.
Again, ano nga yung nilatag mo? Kasi hindi umiiwas. Are you aware na umiiwas ka sa question ko na when you say ensemble kasi, it explains also that there are other universes. Ang sabi mo, hindi multiverse yun.
Again, Overture, you have misunderstood. May latag kanina, may latag tuloy Englishero. I provided it as a hypothetical
Kindly stop my
sense.
time po while Sir God Delusion is makisuyo pabalik ng konti.
Pabalik daw po. Can I still have my
What was the objection? You don't tell the timer to go to put back
Objection,
time.
moderator, objection. I apologize nalampasan kita. Kindly stop po yung time ko pagka nagsumasagot si Sir God Delusion. Pakibalik
No,
sa
you tell me your objection before the time stops. What was your objection?
Yung time ko po dire-diretso kasi napansin ko lang.
Yes, it has to be. May
Haba
time,
pong sumasagot,
20 seconds.
yes, haba pong sumasagot si Sir God Delusion, dire-diretso pa rin yung time ko. Isn't supposed to be post while
No,
Sir God Delusion answering?
no. The time starts when I say it stops. Dire-diretso yung time. mag-object. Kung gusto mo mag-stop, mag-object.
Okay, I said no objection, moderator.
So what is the objection?
Okay, my objection is pwede bang tama ba my time should be paused pag
No, that's the answer. Hindi mapopost yung time mo. The only time na magpo-pause yan kapag nag-object ang isa sa inyo.
I see. Thank you for the clarification. Thank you pa.
Okay, go ahead. What was the question?
My question is, iniiwasan niya yung word na multiverse, but the word ensemble means there are vast other universes. Doesn't is this not the same as the multiverse?
Is that the question?
That's my question.
Okay.
Same lang ba yan?
Any
Yes.
counter objection, God delusion?
Okay. No counter objection po, sasagutin ko na lang po.
Okay, proceed with answering the question. Timer starts.
The reason why that I don't go along with your multiverse no as the term that you provided is because the way I presented it in my opening statement is I presented it as the ensemble hypothesis. Now the structure may be similar but I presented it. If you think hypothetically of these infinite universes na, notice the word hypothetically. But in the multiverse that you are pertaining to, it assumes that it's true.
Next question.
So, inamin mo rin na puro hypothetical ang sinabi mo.
May question po ba doon?
Yes. Inaamin mo rin na hypothetical yung sinabi mo. Puro hypothetical lang.
Yes, but in the lenses of an anthropic bias. Remember, that's the main data there.
Okay. Thank you. Alright, that round is ended. Okay, again, guys, if you have any objection, direct it to me. Okay? You don't ask the timer to stop the time. Magagalit talaga ako sa inyo. Okay? Now, let's move forward with the rebuttal rounds. Okay, the both sides have already presented their piece on the introduction, which we gave them 10 minutes each. All right, for this rebuttal round, we will have God Delusion to proceed with his piece to rebut whatever Overture has given on his introduction piece. Go ahead, God Delusion.
Ako po ba? Or magre-rebut po siya?
Ikaw mauna dito.
Ay, ako po ba mauna mag-rebut? Alright. Okay. So, again po, no, my rebuttals only for this one is earlier, no, he has trouble understanding my argumentations earlier. No, if you could remember, in the last paragraph ng arguments ko, I said specifically, verbatimly, as I've written it down, para klaro, the reason why it's fine-tuned is because we're merely pattern-seeking individuals perceiving these physical constants to be fine-tuned. Notice that I am not negating the findings or the supposed fine-tuning nature of the universe, rather providing an alternative perspective or reasons why. That's the reason why I presented it na ang pinaka-main latag ko dito is the anthropic principle. And hindi niya nahahawakan yun kanina. Now, he might call it na puro hypothetical. Yes. But that is to highlight the anthropic principle. That the only reason why we perceive it fine-tuned is because of us. At the end of the day, yun yung pinaka-main latag ko. No, I am not negating for anyone else who might be surprised by this. Nagugulat ba kayo na sinasabi ko, totoo yung fine-tuning? Yes, I must, as the title already implies, fine-tuning is true. But the question here, to every viewers here, does it point to an intelligent designer? For my opponent to win this debate, he must assert it that the intelligent designer, as a hypothesis here, or the design hypothesis, does have a monopoly regarding the fine-tuning of the nature of the universe. Dapat yun yung ma-assert niya. But the mere fact that the ensemble hypothesis, or it could also be explained that it's only an anthropic principle or anthropic bias to, it is enough for us to assert na hindi pala fine-tuning could not only point to an intelligent designer but rather could also point through the anthropic bias. It could also be an anthropic bias. So salubungin niya ako doon. no, if he wants to win this debate, he needs to assert that ang monopoly ng design hypothesis regarding the fine-tuning. That's where the debate is at. So i-wave ko lamang po ang aking time. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, let's have the cross-examination. Overture, ready?
Okay. Would you agree that the anthropic principle explains the universe fine-tuning by saying we observe it because we are here to observe it? Yes or no?
Objection po. Pwede pa post po. Pwede pa
Yes.
paulit ng masyado mabilis. Nag-lock doon.
Overture, can you repeat the question?
Okay, sorry. Would you agree that the anthropic principle explains the universe's fine-tuning by saying we observe it because we are here to observe it? Yes or no?
Yes. Okay. Pwede na po ba sumagot? Ayan. Yes, that's the main reason why. And yun nga yung kailangan mong salubungin kasi ang claim mo, fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer as though it assumes na may monopolyo yung design hypothesis and I'm merely providing an alternative reason kung bakit natin tiniisip na fine-tuned ito. The mere existence of other hypothesis already derails your claim. Next question.
Okay. Does this statement provide any causal explanation for why the universe is fine-tuned?
Okay. No, as the title does not entail or doesn't question regarding the origins of the fine-tuning. Ang sinasabi lang naman dito, tapos po na time. Ayan. Pabalik po ng oras sa 13 seconds. Medyo nawala ako sa train of thought. Timer.
Sorry, is there
Nasa
an
13
objection?
seconds ako doon.
Hold on. Is there an objection?
Hindi po, nag-alarm lang po. May nag-alarm so medyo nawala ako sa train of thought.
Okay, it's okay po. Okay lang.
No. Let's move forward with the time.
Okay. So, uulitin ko lamang po, no. The question already assumes the fine-tuning is true. It doesn't question anything about its origins or as to why it is. Actually, why it is in question, but not the origins. Next question.
So, isn't this essentially a circular argument that just restates the fact of our existence?
Pause time po. Pwede po pa ulit-ulit ng question.
Ito rin narinig overture. Ulit natin.
So, isn't this essentially a circular argument that just restates the fact of our existence?
Go ahead.
No. As para siya maging circular, hindi naman ina-attempt sagutin ng fine-tuning ang
Timer,
existence.
sorry.
Ay, okay.
Ulitin natin yung 20 seconds tapos start natin yung time. Go. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Again, no, it is not circular as fine-tuning only explains that these physical constants are fine-tuned but nothing particularly does it explain pertaining to our existence directly, no? It only explains that these physical constants are to be there, yeah, sure, but nothing particularly about our existence per se. Next question po.
Okay. Does the anthropic principle predict why the constants of the universe had to fall within the life-permitting range? Yes or no? Categorical.
Past time pa paulit ng question. Medyo, if I may suggest...
Overture, ganito. Yeah, ganito.
Overture.
Sorry, that illusion. Let me speak to Overture. Overture, ganito. Medyo sobrang bilis nung pagbigkas mo ng mga words during your questions. I understand that you have time, pero let's have it very clear. Let's have a very clear questions para hindi tayo puro pause time kay God Delusion, no? I understand na meron kang time na hinahabol, pero sana linawan natin yung pagbigkas ng mga words, okay? Thank you. Go ahead, Overture. Can you repeat the question?
Sorry, I wasn't very clear. Does the anthropic principle predict why the constants of the universe had to fall within the life-permitting range? Does
Okay,
it
go ahead.
predict yes or no?
Yes, as sabi ko nga po kanina, no, the anthropic principle basically states that to explain the state or nature of our universe, the universe must first allow intelligent being for such beings to question the same things. Next question po.
Okay, to clarify, no? Would you agree that saying we exist because the universe is life-permitting doesn't actually explain why the universe is life-permitting? Yes or no? Categorical.
If the question is about origins, then yes.
No, my question is clear, no?
Yes. Yun nga po yung sagot ko. Yes, if the question is about the origins of the universe.
How? How does it explain?
Paulit po ng tanong nyo, hindi po yun yung inano nyo.
I think that is the next question, God Delusion.
I meant po, hindi po yun, paano pong how? Ano po yung i-explain ko? Kasi hindi po ganun yun yung pagkakarinig ko sa
No.
first question.
Okay. Would you agree that saying, we exist because the universe is life permitting,
Yes,
doesn't actually explain why the universe is life permitting? Ano sagot mo?
yes, I agree. But limited within the notion, if the question is about origin of the universe or our origin per se. But given the fact that the question is not pertaining to the origin, next question na lang.
Okay. John, you would agree that the anthropic principle doesn't actually solve the fine-tuning problem but only restates it.
Okay. Objection, moderator. Ang objection ko po dyan, hindi naman po tinatanong kung may problema po ang fine-tuning. It is already assumed in the title that fine-tuning is true. Ang question lang, does it point to an intelligent designer? Therefore, any question regarding the origin as to why fine-tuning kineso ganyan is already out of bounds from the topic. Next question po.
Objection, moderator.
Can you repeat the question, Overture, please?
My question was, so would you agree that the anthropic principle doesn't actually solve the fine-tuning problem but only restates it?
What's the objection, God Delusion?
Ang objection ko po is kasi he is questioning that line of that he provides that line of questioning as though questioning yung fine-tuning nature. No. Ang title na nga po is fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer. Rather, it is already implied that the universe is fine-tuned. Therefore, any question regarding the origins as to why it is fine-tuned is out of bounds. Ang pinatutukulan lang natin dito is, does it point to an intelligent designer or it could be other hypotheses?
I understood. Okay, sige. Let's have the next question, Overture.
Right. Would you agree that the anthropic principle relies purely on observation and does not investigate intentionality, yes or no?
Yes. As well as yours. Kasi at the end of the day, the intentionality that you may perceive regarding your observations are merely speculations and perceived notions regarding your observations. Next question.
Are you aware that these fine-tuned constants, ang sabi nga ng mga nag-aral, is astronomically improbable? Doesn't it add degree to intentionality?
No, as one must first specify to what intentionality do we point it or do we relate it. No. Second, no. Yes, yung mga improbable notions na ganito, but at the end of the day, we perceive this to be fine-tuned because we are here nonetheless. No, provide ko nga kanina, no? Ay, wala na akong time. Sige, yun na yun.
Okay. Isn't it true that if an intelligent designer were responsible for the fine-tuning, we would observe the same fine-tuned constant, yes or no? Categorical.
Yes, we would find the same fine-tuned constants as I am not negating that ever since we started the debate.
So, inamin mo rin, tama ba? Inamin mo rin na if there's an intelligent designer, pareho rin ang mga observe.
No, I did not.
But you just said yes.
On?
Again, ulitin ko yung tanong. Isn't it true that if an intelligent designer were responsible for the fine-tuning, we would observe the same fine-tuned constant? And you said yes?
Okay. To clarify my point dyan, no, that would be on the basis that, yeah, it might be if the hypothetical notion ng intelligent designer would be as such. Pero ang tinutukoy ko dito, perspective-wise on those beings such as us, no, it would still seem to be fine-tuned. regardless whether there's a designer or not. That's my point. Next question.
So, does the anthropic principle provide any evidence to rule out intentionality as an explanation for fine-tuning? Yes or no?
Okay. Paulit nga po na pause time po. Pa-pause time po. Paulit nga po ulit. Medyo mabilis lang po talaga yung first part.
Sorry. Does the anthropic principle provide any evidence to rule out intentionality as an explanation for fine-tuning? Yes or no?
No. May sagot po ko dyan. No. As first, we must first question ourselves, to what intentionality do we relate it? Ang term po kasi na intentionality, it must have a relative concept. Kaya nga natin nasasabi, may intention siya. To what degree or to what concept do we relate it? Next question po.
Okay. If the anthropic principle cannot explain why fine-tuning exists, cannot predict outcomes, kasi kanina mo pa sinasabi yan, and cannot provide testable mechanisms, would you agree it's a weak explanation for fine-tuning? Yes or no?
No. Okay, kasi may assumption ka doon sa line of reasoning mo. You assume that it doesn't explain why the universe is fine-tuned. It does. Ang explanation niya is, kasi nga, nandito tayo, we perceive it to be fine-tuned. No. That's my answer. Next question po.
Wala, kinapos na.
Okay, thank you. Let's move forward with the next round, which is the presentation of the rebuttals of Overture. Go ahead, Overture. That's 10 minutes. Hold on, let's have the time. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Hello po. Dinig ako?
Dinig ka naman, yes.
Yes po, yes.
Kanina, while Sir God Delusion was explaining his stand, wala kang mahawakan na reason or wala kang mahawakang argument mula sa kanya on why the fine-tuning does not point to an intelligent designer. Kumbaga, again, parang ano yan parang nasa highway ako and then yung arguments namin needs to collide. Ang ginawa niya, nag-swerve siya sa kabilang kalsada. Pumasok siya sa tinatawag na anthropic principle. It's an example of tautology. Para bang sinasabi mo na na bukas maaaring umulan, maaaring hindi. Wala naman pinaliwanag doon na basically anthropic principle only states that we are here, we can observe fine-tuning because we are here. Kung wala tayo, di wala mag-observe ng fine-tuning. Wala naman wala kang mahawakan doon di ba? Now, yung sinasabi niyang ensemble, at least kahit papaano may paliwanag doon. It also pertains to iba't ibang universe na actually kahit yung I believe, correct mo na lang later, God Delusion, yung creator ng pangalan mo, si Richard Dawkins, he even kumbaga he even invoked the multiverse as an explanation Sa iyo naman, sa part mo, may binanggit kang ensemble hypothesis, which also explains na maraming there are different universe. Hindi ko lang kung ba't iniwasan mo yon. Now, paliwanag ko lang. The problem kasi sa mga nilatag niya kanina, wala kang maribat kasi wala naman So ipapaliwanag ko na lang na bakit hindi tama na multiverse. Multiverse basically proposes there are countless universes exist. with different parameters, but we happen to live in one that supports life. The question is, ang multiverse ba ay speculative? Yes, wala nga ebidensya dyan eh. Invoking the multiverse as counter-argument to fine-tuning constitutes an ad hoc reasoning fallacy. Para lang may paliwanag ka. Ang sabi na nga ng iba, patchwork logic. The universe merely fills the gap without offering independent evidence, relying on statistical bet to explain the fine-tuning rather than a coherent cause. So tama ba ako nung sinabi ko na kaya may 777 dahil may 1 to 1,000? Ang sabi nga nila, sa multiverse, if you keep going different locations, eventually you'll find the right one. Now, ano ang problema dito sa multiverse? So far kasi yun sinasabi nila daw na best argument against fine-tuning. That's not the case. Ang daming tanong dyan. First, multiverse ba ay guided? Pag hindi guided, ano mangyayari? Halimbawa, bigyan ko kayo halimbawa. Tingnan natin yung speed of light. For simplicity, the speed of light is around 299,792,458 meters per second. Okay. Sa isang multiverse, sabihin natin ang speed of light is 1. I'm pertaining to the maximum speed at which information and causality can propagate. The speed of light there. Sa isang universe, ang speed of light 1. Sa isang universe, ang speed of light is 1.01. Sa susunod na universe, ibang universe na naman, 1.001. You know where this is going, right? Sa ibang universe, 1.0001. There is a small infinity within the range of 1 to 2. Hindi pa siya ang laki pa ng hahabulin niya. 299 million pa ang hahabulin niya para ma-reach yun. Sabihin, ganun ka, I don't want to use the word absurd. Ganun ka, ano yung universe eh? Ganun ka fluid. Yung sinasabi niya multiverse. If it's unguided. Ikalawa, kapag may multiverse, ibig sabihin, merong multiverse, maaari, we can ask, where is the multiverse generator? Or, it seems that, ang sabi nga, it seems that the multiverse does not escape the issue, the very issue it aims to solve. It merely shifts the question of fine-tuning to a higher level. Wala rin, hindi rin masasagot. Bakit ang tanong? Is the universe fine-tuned for life? Yes. But is it also fine-tuned for black holes? Yes. Is it also fine-tuned for other forces? Yes. So, ang tanong, bakit hindi everywhere ang life? Okay. Hindi ibig sabihin na fine-tuned for life ang universe, lilitaw na ang life sa iba't ibang lugar. We are here, we exist together with other forces. Ibig sabihin, may black holes, may gamma ray burst, and yet we are here. So it adds layer to the fine-tuning na there is a purposeful intentionality na kaya nandito tayo. Kumbaga, para kang nag-design ng building or cinema that can accommodate different people. But bear in mind, i-accommodate mo rin yung PWD. Hindi ibig sabihin yung universe natin or yung cinema para lang sa puro PWD. The fine-tuner fine-tune this universe with life existence in mind. Okay. The multiverse theory fails to adequately explain the fine-tuning for our universe. It is speculative, untestable, and fails to provide satisfying explanation for why the constants of nature are so perfectly calibrated for life. The fine-tuning argument, by contrast, is grounded in observable facts and provides a far more reasonable explanation for the universe's existence. In conclusion, wala naman siyang giniba sa mga tinindig ko, sa mga inaffirm ko. Again, what did our opponent do instead? Kumbaga, instead of salubungin yung argument ko in one road, umiwas siya eh. Doon siya pumasok sa isang bagay na paano mo ko kontrahin yung tautology? Wala naman pinapaliwanag doon eh. Wala naman siyang empirical evidence na sinabi. Wala kang mahawakan eh. Mabuti pa nga yung flat earther eh. Meron, I'm not saying na totoo ang flat earth ha, pero mabuti pa yung argument nila eh. May ice wall that holds the water. His argument doesn't even hold water eh. Wala kang marebat with your indulgence sa aking opponent. Anyway, that is all. I waive my rest of time.
Thank you so much, Overture. Let's move forward with the cross-examination. Let's have the timer. Okay, you're ready. Timer, 7 minutes. Then 20 seconds to answer. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, Gadelucia.
Alright, sige. Wait lamang po. Ayan. So, Overture, babalikan ko lang yung presentation mo kanina ha. You referred that fine-tuning refers to the precise adjustment. Again, adjustment of physical constant laws and conditions of the universe. Tama ba yan? Yes or no? Categorical.
Yes, using our perspective.
Okay. Next question. Since ang title mo naman doon sa banner natin is theist ka, no? A Christian theist, yeah, to be exact, no? Do you agree that this intelligent being in question or that you purport in this claim, no, is the omniscient, omnipotent, yung omni-attribute being as provided in theism? Yes or no? Categorical.
Yes, with reservation. Sige, yes. Natin yes.
Yes, okay. Next question. If an object or subject is yet to be calibrated or yet to be tuned or sabi mo nga, yet to be adjusted, no? Do you agree that the default state of such object or subject, no, must be not tuned or not calibrated or not yet adjusted? Yes or no? Categorical.
No. I think no. Paliwanag ko.
No. Okay.
Paliwanag ko mali yata ang understanding mo eh kasi iniliwanag itong universe natin, ang sagot ko kasi kanya sa perspective natin, the universe before it existed calibrated na, fine-tuned na.
Next question.
Hindi siya parang
Sorry, Overture. Sorry, next question. The time to answer is 20 seconds. So, kapag lumagpas na kayo, I will tell to move forward, okay? Whether you're finished or not finished with your answer.
Okay. So since you said no earlier, then what is the basis of this tuning, no? Yung term natin tuning or yung definition mo nga, adjustment, if it were not to be in the default state, kung ang default state pala, fine-tuned not to begin with, ano pa ang itutono doon o ika-calibrate or i-adjust if initially the default state is already fine-tuned to begin with?
yung initial conditions were already fine-tuned. It doesn't mean na the moment na na-create ang universe, habang na-create, fina-fine-tune siya. No. This refers to the precise adjustments sa perspective natin of the physical constants and laws and initial conditions. And I said, nasa presentation, kung babalikan, and initial conditions.
Next question up.
Okay, next question.
Next question. So, kung madaling sabi, no, wala kang basis for it to be fine-tuned. Tama ba? Kasi ang tinuturo mo dito, fine-tuned na. Paano mo nasabing fine-tuned na kung wala kang adjustment na ginawa? Yes or no, categorical?
No, mali ang interpretation mo ng fine-tuning. Again, sa perspective natin, halimbawa na may violin, i-adjust mo siya sa human perspective. But as I said, this refers to precise adjustment as a general physical adjustment of physical constant, precise adjustment of physical constants, laws, and initial conditions. That's why I mentioned initial conditions.
Move forward.
Next question. Since no pa rin ang sagot mo dyan, ang pinagbabasihan lang naman yan. Makatanong ko, kanino mo ko sinagot? Alin sa mga sinagot mo kanina ang gusto mong baguhin para makapag-no ka kanina?
Wala akong binabago. With your indulgence, it's your interpretation, yung pagkakaintindi mo. Again, the universe, nung nilikha siya, tama na. Kumbaga, fine-tuned na yung parameters. That's why we are here talking about it.
Okay, next question.
Okay. Kung ina-assert mo talaga na fine-tuned na siya, di mas madaling sabi, hindi siya fine-tuned but rather perfect na siya to begin with. Yes or no, categorical?
Objection moderator, kindly define perfect.
Just to clarify your question, can you move forward in defining the word perfect that you use so we can actually understand each other?
Specify ko na lamang po sa topic namin ngayon. Perfect in a sense that relative to the universe, no, it doesn't need further tuning. Na ginawa ito, perfecto na. Umpisa pa lang. No, perfecto na. No further tuning or calibration to be
Alright, thank
done.
you. So in that context, overture, perfection is being used that in a sense that there's no need for further tuning. Go ahead. God Delusion, can you repeat your question?
Since he objects na he asserts talaga na no fine tuning na ganap doon but rather perfect na siya, parang to begin with para siyang perfecto na, no, does he mean it like that na there is no default state, ang default state hindi siya need for calibration but rather fine-tuned in a sense that it is perfect, no further tuning to be done? Yes or no, categorical?
Arkan.
No, dahil fine-tuned na siya nung nilalang ang universe. The reason why it's called fine-tuned is because these constants can be arbitrary. It can be of any value. Diniscuss ko kanina even the speed of light.
Okay, next question. Overture, alin ba talaga? Is the universe in its default state, ha? Does it still need further tuning or further calibration in order for it to come to fine-tuning? That's the reason why you can say that it's fine-tuned. Or was it perfect to begin with? Alin doon? Categorical.
Okay. Mukhang hindi tayo magkaintindihan. The universe was fine-tuned from the start. But the reason why it's called fine-tuned is because yung constants nga, yung mga values niya are arbitrary, but it was fine-tuned for the existence of life.
Okay. Since you said fine-tuned niya, no? Fine-tuned from the start, ibig sabihin, meron pa yan, inayos pa yan. Tama ba? Let me get that correctly. Yes or no, categorical?
Okay. Fine-tuned na siya from the start.
Ulit, sorry, stop time. Overture, this is the second question, a categorical question is not being answered categorically. Can you answer it yes or no or categorically before you explain? Or if you don't want to answer it, you can do an objection and explain your objection to me.
Kindly repeat the question. Medyo kasi parang nagle-left and right yung Sige, kindly repeat the question.
Pause time muna po tayo dito, ha, para uulitin lang naman po. Pause time tayo dito. Since medyo nag-uurong-sulong kasi yung cross-ex natin, so kina-clarify ko sa'yo, alin ba talaga is it really fine-tuned that there must be an initial state or a default state na may calibration pang kailangan gawin? That's the reason why we can have the sense na it is fine-tuned o tinono pa. No? Or was it perfectly designed? Or parang in the beginning, it was fine-tuned in a sense na no further calibration. Alin ba talaga ang stand mo doon sa dalawa?
Okay. In the beginning, fine-tuned na siya. Just to clarify.
Okay. Therefore, no further calibration, no?
Yes, that's why they are called constants. Kaya nga hindi nababago ang constants.
Okay. So, dapat balitan yung claim mo na palitan natin na the perfect universe points to an intelligent designer. Yes or no, categorical?
No, mali ang No. My answer is no. Mali ang pagkakaintindi mo. First, hindi perfect because we are subject to the second law of thermodynamics. Papunta tayo sa entropy, no? From enthalpy to entropy. Kung perfect yung universe in that sense, we are not subject to second law of thermodynamics. Now, when it comes to fine-tuning, I said
I think that's time. I think that's that. Wala na tayong question.
Okay. All right. So this is the last stretch of our cross-examination. So we will now proceed with our closing remarks. Okay. So your closing statements. Let's have overture for 7 minutes. Go ahead.
Pwede pong palakihan.
Objection, moderator. Akala ko negative muna mauuna.
Oo nga, alam ko negative. Sorry, nalimutan ko.
Akala ko po ako muna mauuna, tapos affirmative. Kasi affirmative dito si Overture. Tama ba?
Yes, sa guide, parang dapat mauna yata si Sir God Delusion. Kindly recheck.
Let me check the debate details, ha? Okay, sige. Sa rebuttals kasi nauna si DS. Kaya ikaw ang mauna ngayon, Overture.
Hindi po, makisuyo, palakihan na lang.
Palakihan daw siya.
Okay. In closing, in this debate, I discussed fine-tuning and the remarkable precision of physical constants that make life possible. These constants are so perfectly balanced that any deviation would render life impossible. The probability of these constants aligning random chance is astronomically small. No known physical laws dictates the constants must be as they are. The multiverse has no evidence at kahit yung mga derivatives pa nun, sinasabing ensemble. Questions. Okay. Question. Sa constant lang ba makikita ang fine-tuning? Again my goal here is not to battle yung mga logical terms. My goal here is to present does the fine-tuning that points to an intelligent designer hold water? Sabihin, obvious bang makikita? Okay, consider Even here on Earth, we can see the life-sustaining dynamics of fine-tuning. Aside from the Goldilocks zone, the DNA, consider the anomaly of water molecule. Pansin ninyo, normally, when molecules are cooled, they tend to contract. They shrink in volume. Pag pinalalamig ang molecule, nagsishrink in volume. Now, but a frozen water tends to expand. We can merely point it due to the formation of its crystal lattice. But what is the purpose of this anomaly? How is this fine-tuning? Anong connect? With this behavior, seas, oceans, lakes, and rivers, when frozen, yung top ang mag-freeze, hindi yung bottom. Protecting the ecosystem sa ilalim ng tubig. Dahil nandyan sa ilalim yung mga itlog ng isda and different marine life forms. If it's not the case, lipol lahat yan 1 or 2 winters lang. Even on this level, you can see the intentionality of the designer. And intentionality, purposeful intentionality can only come from intelligent minds. Now, so I invite everyone to keep an open mind na tignan natin, meron ba talaga nag-fine-tune? Does it point to an intelligent designer? Consider this. Saan nakita, no? Consider yung sinasabing term na fly on a Mona Lisa. No matter how the fly representing us inspects the cracks, lines, and colors on the canvas, it will never grasp that it's perched atop a masterpiece. To truly understand the grandeur, it would need to fly back and view the entire painting in its full glory. Only then it would see the artist's hand behind the creation. That is all. Thank you po.
Okay, just to confirm, wini-wave mo na yung time mo, overture, tama?
Yes, I waive the rest of my time.
Okay, go ahead. Thank you. God Delusion, let's have your closing presentation.
Ayan. Wait lamang po. Wait lamang. Inom lang ako tubig. Ayan. Rinig po ba ako?
Yes.
Ayan. Okay po. So pansin nyo po that in this line of topic natin tonight, fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer, maaring maraming nabigla. No, na ang ateista hindi ni-negate the fine-tuning nature of the universe. Yes, I am not negating the fine-tuning nature of the universe as the title already implies it. No, ang inaasahan siguro ng katunggali ko ngayong gabi, ine-negate ko to. No, pamamalian ko itong fine-tuning nature na ito. No, kaya pansin niyo yung closing statements niya nakaikot on the premise that I would be negating. Kaso hindi ako pumunta doon. Okay. Ang point of contention ko ngayong gabi, does it really point to an intelligent designer? No. Notice that assuming that the universe is really fine-tuned, does it really point to an intelligent designer? That's the contention overture. No. So ngayon, kaya nga sabi ko kanina in my opening statements, there are two aspects na kailangan niyang successfully assert in order for him to win. Pero ako po, ina-admit ko nagkamali ako. Kasi sinabi ko 2 lamang, pero dapat 3. No, dun po ako nagkamali. Dapat 3. Una po, ang unang aspeto na sinabi ko kanina, dapat he must assert this claim that fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer to be objectively true. Kaso ang problema, hindi niya hinawakan yun. Hindi niya ininegate yun. He never really came back to that. He never really defended that this claim is objectively true because he understands that his understanding regarding this fine-tuning nature of the universe is merely a subjective claim. To say the least, sabihin niya pa, it points to an intelligent designer, it still relies on his perception regarding these physical constants that he referenced. Kaya nga, mali na siya sa unang aspeto pa lang. 2, second aspect would be, dapat mapatunayan niyang merong sense of monopolyo or there's a sense of monopoly for the design hypothesis. In order for his claim that fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer, talagang, yun lamang talaga. It actually points to an intelligent designer. Kaso hindi. The mere fact that there are other hypotheses as to why it seems fine-tuned or why we perceive it as fine-tuned is enough for us to conclude na mali. Teka nga, dapat palitan natin yung claim. Fine-tuning could not only point to an intelligent designer but could also be due to an anthropic bias. Kaya nga hindi niya magalaw at hindi niya ma-debunk yung binibigay kong anthropic bias or anthropic principle. Kasi nga, alam niyang totoo din naman yun. No? Ngayon, punta tayo sa third aspect. Anong third aspect na tinutukoy ko? Ang tinutukoy ko dito, was he successful on asserting na theist God yun? No? Kung papansinin nyo, yung last cross-examination ko sa kanya, pinupukol ko sa kanya yung ibig sabihin ng tuning. Pero pansin nyo, iniiwasan nyo yung pagsagot niya sa akin that this tuning would mean na the universe must have a default state whereas it still needs to be calibrated. Kaya nga tinatawag mong fine-tuned. Therefore, it should mean na the default state of the universe was not fine-tuned. That's the reason why you can say, itinuno siya, kinalibrate siya. Now, if so, an intelligent designer really created this fine-tuned universe, no? Ang problema natin dyan, bakit magre-rely itong intelligent being na supposedly omniscient, no? Would rely on trial and error just to assert na, okay, na itono na ng tama. That's the problem. So, on the first aspect alone, he was not able to assert na objectively true yung claim niya that fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer kasi una, hindi niya matatakbuhan yun. Hindi niya ma-negate that his claim is merely his perception. Let alone kung pagsasabihin niyang it points to an intelligent designer. It all boils down to his perception. And that's the reason why he can't negate that it is merely a subjective claim. Ngayon, if he would negate me on this, I challenge him, tanggalin mo lahat ng tao dito. Yes, may iwan is this supposedly fine-tuned physical constants. But I bet you, no one would ever assert that it points to an intelligent designer. Kaya nga siya subjective claim. No? So, again, kahit anong aspeto, kahit anong ikot, hagod o tumbling ng aking katunggali, hindi siya nakapunto sa kahit anong aspetong itinukoy ko. So muli, ako po si God Delusion, isa po akong ateista, and my claim here for tonight is not to negate the supposed fine-tuning of the universe but rather steer into it. At napatunayan natin na fine-tuning, if so it is true, no, does not only point to an intelligent designer but could also be due to an anthropic bias. Again, I am God Delusions and that's my time. Thank you.
Okay, waiving your time, God Delusion. Tama ba?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much to our debaters tonight, and talagang ginalingan ni Overture at ni God Delusion sa kanilang presentation during the introduction, the cross-examination, and during the rebuttal rounds, and also this closing statement. I believe that we have learned so much during this encounter that you've had tonight. Now, we will be moving forward to one of the highlights of the round table. We will have our question and answer. Ayan, so we have 15 minutes. Ayan. Salim Pusa, bigyan natin ng 15 minutes ang timer. So, ang mangyayari sa round na to, magkakaroon tayo ng question and answer, God Delusion and Overture. So, to our audience, magkakaroon kayo ng chance na magtanong ng isang tanong to any of our debater. So, habang nandyan na si Toys at si ATS Teacher, meron ba kayong umpisahan na natin sa inyo? AT and Toys. Toys, meron ka bang question to any of our debater or unahin na natin? Ikaw na mauna, ATS Teacher. Go ahead.
Ako na mauuna.
Sino ang tatanungin mo, ATS Teacher?
Tatanungin ko si Overture.
Okay.
Bali, bago ako magtanong, I would like to congratulate them both for having this debate, and thank you at ginanap nyo to sa round table. Anyway, here's my question. SP, palagdan ng oras, sorry, bumati pa ako. Ang tanong ko kay Overture, bakit hindi po pwedeng ang fine-tuning mag-point sa non-intelligent designer? Ulitin ko, no? Bakit hindi po pwedeng mag-point ang fine-tuning sa non-intelligent designer. Yun lang. Thank you.
Salamat sa tanong, Sir AT, because intentionality, purposeful intentionality can only come from intelligent mind. Kita naman sa mga constants yung yung intentionality behind it. At again, ito mga constants na to, objective ito. Hindi ito subjective. Kahit wala tayo o hindi, kita ito. Yun lang po.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, 80. Ang susunod na magtatanong ay si You Will Die. Go ahead, You Will Die. Sino yung tatanungin mo?
Si ba ako? Medyo pulado yung ano ko.
Putol ka. Putol ka, You Will Die.
Mamaya na.
Okay.
Mamaya
Guys,
balik.
meron ka bang question kay God Delusion or kay Overture?
I'll give way to others na lang po.
Okay, ayan, si Coding. Coding, sino ang...
Yan, dapat lang pinakit nyo na ako. Kasi ito si God Delusion. Ay, magtatanong ba ako?
Magtatanong. Sino ang tatanungin mo? God Delusion or si Overture?
No, pag... Siyempre si God Delusion.
Okay, what's your question? Go ahead.
Kung hinahanap mo lang na sagot ay absolutely truth na answer. Ano pang sense na wait lang. Hinahanap kasi ni
Just ask the question, Coding, kasi may time tayo para mabigyan natin ng oras, di ba? Ask the question. What's the question? Wala? Meron? Okay. Si Sensei Ilo muna. Sensei Ilo, do you have any question to any of our debaters tonight?
Meron akong question kay Overture.
Okay.
Yes po.
Ayan, so paano mo nasabi na ang universe ay fine-tuned for life when in fact life on Earth is always in danger from cosmic radiation, asteroid, earthquakes, volcanic activity, mass extinction, tsunamis? Pwede rin ba nating sabihin na ang universe is finely tuned for chaos and extinction?
Salamat sa tanong. Again, ang universe natin hindi lang ginawa na tayo lang. Ginawa tayo kasama ang black hole, kasama yung mga intense radiation, but we are here. The Creator created this universe with other forces with us in mind. Diyan nga lalo napapatunay ng fine-tuning Even with those forces, nandito tayo. Huwag ka lang pumunta sa black hole kung ayaw mo maging spaghetti. Huwag ka lang pumunta sa sun kung ayaw mong ma-vaporize.
Thank you and bababa na ako. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Ilo. Si Blind Trader naman. Blind Trader, sino ang tatanungin mo?
Hello, magtatanong po ako kay God Delusion.
Go ahead.
Kung tama yung understanding ko kanina sa cross ni si Overture, nag-agree ka na even though i-assume na tama yung sinasabi mong argument, yung anthropic principle, tama ba? Possible pa rin na merong intelligent design. So kung possible pa rin na may intelligent design kahit na tama yung argument mo, it means hindi mo na-negate yung argument ni Overture, tama?
No. Kasi nga, ang pinaka-main point nga dito, stick tayo sa topic guys, na fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer. So dapat, yun nga yung pinaka-main focus ko doon. Dapat papatunayan niya that the design hypothesis must have a monopoly in this line of question or line of topic. Second, hindi sa subjective claim. Ngayon, yung sinasabi niya kanina ni Overture that this physical constants are objectively true. Oo, it is objectively true na kahit wala tayo dito, yung constants ng gravity and so on are to be as is. No, I'm not negating that. Pero to arrive to the conclusion that it points to an intelligent designer, that is the subjective one. Yun yung tinutukoy ko kasi it relies on your perception sa alin? Doon sa physical constants na tinukoy mo. Yun po.
Thank you po, moderator.
Thank you, Blind. Si Him naman. Him, go ahead. Or may question ba si Indominus Rex? Baka may question ka. O, him muna. Go. Him, nandiyan ka?
Hello, rinig ba ako?
Yan, dinig ka na namin.
Okay. So may question ako kay Overture about dun sa cosmological constants. Madaming cosmological constants, di ba? Included na din yung speed of light. And nabanggit ka rin na Overture na yung speed of light kapag a bit differential, a bit higher or lower, life will not exist. Pero aware ba si Overture sana? Tatanong ko lang, aware ba siya na yung tinutukoy doon na life is yung familiar life or life as we know it in this universe? Never sinabi na other forms of life that may follow different rules, different logic, or different cosmological values will not exist in other universes.
Sagot? Yun yung tanong, Sir Him.
Yung tinutukoy doon na life will not exist if these cosmological values are different ay familiar life or life as we know it in this universe. But never sinabi doon na other forms of life will never exist. Like other forms talaga, literally, that may follow different cosmological values or different rules.
Okay. I am pertaining kung ano yung may evidence muna. Right now, empirical evidence show na ito, life on Earth muna.
No, I'm not talking about evidences. I'm just talking about the fact that never naman sinabi na life will not exist.
Hold on. Sorry, him. We're not allowed to debate on this. On this.
Okay, sorry. Okay.
Let's just wait the answer from Overture.
Okay, sorry po.
Oh, ba't bumaba? Okay, go ahead, Overture. Ay, bumaba na siya.
Ay, sorry, binaba ko na kasi tapos na yung question.
Okay. Sige.
Sorry, sige lang.
Ayan. So, move forward tayo. Sorry, him. Labubu. Go ahead.
Kay God Delusion lang, gusto ko lang i-clarify yung, kasi ginamit niya kanina, idinidikit niya yung word na perfect sa file. So, on his definition, gusto lang malaman, are there an absolute na synonym words na para sila ng meaning? So, anong definition niya dun sa dalawa? Sa perfect and fine?
Okay. Yung tinutukoy kasi, hindi lang fine ha. Yung pinatutungkulan ko kanina, fine-tuned. Containing tuned. No, and fine-tuned and yung term na perfect. Kasi kapag sinabi nating fine-tuned or tuned per se, no, we are referring this in a concept na the initial state of an object is not yet tono or na hindi pa naitono and then totonohin mo. Kaya nga, tuned eh. Para siyang gitara. Ang gitara hindi naman ginawa na nakatono kagad. Tinotono pa yan. Okay. So if my opponent here is purporting na it is fine-tuned simula pa lang, okay, so ibig sabihin, there must be a state, no? There must be an initial state whereas hindi pa siya ganun tama na kailangan pa siyang tunuhin. Yun yung tinutukoy doon. Yung perfect naman, yung definition ko doon, as I provided it earlier, ang definition ko doon must be, it is perfect in a sense that relative to the universe that is, no, since ito yung topic natin, it doesn't need further calibration or further tuning as it is perfect or tama na siya to begin with, no? Yun po.
Okay, thank you. Let's move forward kay Kat.
Sir Mac, may comment lang kasi yung sa question ni Sir Him. Sagutin ko lang uli kung tama yung tinatanong niya, kung tama yung pagkakaintindi ko, okay lang?
Yeah, actually, I think we owe that to him. Pakatin ulit natin siya.
Yan, ito na.
Ayan.
Sir Him. Go, Sir Him.
So ayun, no, sinasabi kanina, nabanggit naman kanina Overture dun sa debate niya na yung mga cosmological constant na to, especially o yung speed of light mismo, pag slightly higher to or lower, life as we know it in this universe will not exist. Totoo naman yun, pero never naman sinabi ng any paper studies or theories na life in any other forms that may follow different cosmological values, rules. Hindi ba sinabi na hindi mag-exist yung mga ganun?
Okay, sagutin ko na. Hindi, tama naman yung point mo. Actually, ang prediction nga nila kung may ibang life form, considering itong present periodic table natin na mag-exist is pwedeng maging silicon or germanium. Yun yung mga molecules kasing capable na mag-form into parang strands, complex molecule na parang sa carbon. Thank you.
Okay, kay Catholic Warrior naman tayo. Go ahead.
Ay, sige, kay God Delusion. Ito yung tanong ko. Since intelligent design, yung mga pagka-position ng araw, ng Earth at saka ibang planeta, do you agree na mayroong creator since intelligent design yung pagka-position? Do you agree na may creator dyan?
So again po, yung pinaka-main sagot dyan, no. Okay. Kasi nga, yung pinag-aangklahan mo na bakit na may designer or may nag-ano dyan kasi fine-tuned, no. Pero again, we must understand that that is merely a subjective understanding. Sa alin, inaangkla mo yan yung regarding your understanding of this supposed proper distance between the sun and the earth. Pero kapag mawala naman tayo dito, wala namang mag-iisip na it could be just because of an intelligent designer. It is reliant on the perception of the person who perceives it or the observer who perceives it in the first place. Therefore, no.
Okay, thank you. Next question, si Beauty. Beauty?
Hello everyone, good evening. My question is for Overture. Is it okay? Overture, okay?
Yes po, please.
Okay, Overture, like, how can we distinguish between a universe designed by an intelligent being and a universe that arose through natural processes? How can we distinguish between the two?
Okay. Itong universe natin, sa topic, based sa topic, hindi naman na-determine dahil ikinumpara natin sa ibang universe eh. This universe was determined as fine-tuned because of empirical evidence and constants na na-identify, not because of comparison sa ibang universe.
Okay, thank you. RJ, go ahead.
Thank you, Mac. Yung question ko para kay Overture.
Please, kindly ask.
Overture, yung tinutukoy mong intelligent designer, nasa Book of God ba yan? Kung oo, aling sacred book yan?
Okay, with respect to the topic kasi, we agreed na I don't need to identify kung sino yung intelligent designer. Basta ang sagot ko is any being na powerful enough to create a universe and to fine-tune it. Basta any being na powerful enough. Yun na muna.
Okay, thank you. Interfurge.
Ayun, question for Sir Overture. Are you guided solely by your faith or pride and assuming that your God is the only possible explanation towards the fine-tuned universe? Like, hindi tayo nag-adapt to this constant para masabing fine-tune ang universe natin, or maybe sa atin lang fine-tune and sa iba naman hindi.
Ano yung parang maraming naging tanong, ano yung question? Medyo
yung are you guided solely by your faith or pride? Ganon.
No, we base the fine-tuning sa empirical data. Not because of faith and pride. If that is your question.
Okay, thank you, Interfudge. Peter Rock.
Good evening po. My question is for Sir God Delusions. Sir, if not fine-tuning, can you offer a more probable explanation why a fine-tuned, quote-unquote, universe exists despite of a chance?
Okay. Again po, ang babalik ko lang po, notice po kung nandito po kayo, feeling ko, nakita ko comment mo kanina, wala ka daw kanina. Pero again, in my line of argumentation, I did not negate the fine-tuning of the universe. Actually, sinabayan ko. Parang sinabi natin na sumakay ako sa bangka ni Overture, hindi lang sa sumakay ako, kumaldag pa ako. Ganon. So, I am not negating the fine-tuning nature of the universe in this aspect, but rather, I provided an alternative reasoning na should derail the claim na fine-tuning points on intelligent designer na dapat baguhin natin yan. Fine-tuning points not only to fine-tuning could not only point to an intelligent designer but could also be due to an anthropic bias. Yun po.
Thank you very much.
Last question na to, Indominus. Go ahead.
Tanong ko lang kay Overture, since sabi niya kanina, it could point to any intelligent designer. As a Christian, payag ka yung intelligent designer dyan sa topic nyo, si Allah?
No, hindi ganun kasi ang stand ko. Right now, ang stand ko is intelligent designer. Sa pre-debate kasi, it was discussed, I don't need to identify sinong God. Because I believe I'm not qualified doon sa assuming, sabihin ko na God of the Bible, I'm not qualified para i-present yun. This was discussed in the pre-debate kasi. So, assuming kahit pa sabihin mo na yung Diyos ng Anunnaki, if there's one, it doesn't matter. As long as ma-identify natin, yung intelligent designer is, kumbaga, intelligent mind, hindi because of natural causes. Yun ang goal. It came from an intelligent designer. I hope I answered your question, Miss India.
Okay. All right. Pwede ba ako it's just there are something that piqued my curiosity to the both debaters. Can I ask a question to each of you? I know this is the first time that a moderator would do this, but I can't let go of this opportunity. Can I interest you to a question? Okay. So,
madali lang.
Okay. To Overture, this is my question. If it is an intelligent designer, would he be able to sustain life even without the cosmological constants?
Since na if question yan, yes naman, If question lang naman yes.
Okay, so that the conclusion
tuloy ko lang yung sagot kasi maganda yung tanong mo, Sir Macarios. May tanong dyan na pwede bang gumawa ang creator na mabubuhay sa surface ng sun? Yes, theoretically yes, pero ang periodic table nila would include yung mga mythical elements tulad ng vibranium, adamantium which is indestructible. Pwede rin natin isagot na pwede mga Kryptonians, 'di ba? Si Superman lalong lumalakas pag nasa araw. O di parang ganun lang if it's an if question. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, it's actually just a curious question that would actually give me something to think about. And last question to God Delusion. If the fine tuning that you were saying is something that to be actually tuned into, and it doesn't point to an intelligent designer, would there be a chance that if ever there would be some claim or some evidence that would actually prove that it is definitely fine-tuned or not, and would still point to an intelligent designer?
Paulit, medyo malabo, medyo malakas yung
question is, whether the universe is fine-tuned or not, would still be a chance that it will not point to an intelligent designer.
Let me get this straight. Kung assuming that it really is, may chance ba na hindi siya pointing to an intelligent designer? Ganun ba?
Yes.
Yes, yun po yung pinupunto ko doon. Kasi at the end of the day, all these claims nga po that it points to an intelligent designer is merely based on the perception ng observer. Regarding what? Yung physical constants na tinukoy ni Again, my line of reasoning here is I'm not negating yung physical constants. It may seem fine-tuned relative to our perception, relative to the understanding of an observer. Yun po.
Okay, thank you. I think that is the conclusion of our event tonight.
Wait lang, Mac.
Go ahead.
Overture, meron tayong dumating na tanong via mail. Payag ka bang sagutin ito or gusto mo na rin matulog-tulad?
Okay.
Yes po, sana madali lang rin.
Ayan, sandali lang babasahin ko. Ayan, sabi, sinong tao ang nakakita na merong intelligent designer na nagtono? Kung wala, Payag ka ba? Wait lang ha. Basahin ko yung pangalawang part. Ayun. Kung wala, tama ba, tanggap mo ba na assumption lang yan without a direct observer? Yun yung yun yung message.
Okay. Bate kasi sinilatag ko kanina, no? Kaya nasabi nating fine-tune points to an intelligent designer is because itong mga constants na to were so fine-tuned na kumbaga ang pagkaka-fine-tune niya napaka-pino, and then hindi lang layers ng hindi lang pino, layers ng fine-tuning. Na kapag mabago yan, it's so delicate, we will not be here talking about it. Now, we ruled out chance, we ruled out necessity, we even ruled out the multiverse hypothesis na hindi pwede yung mga yon. So, comes down to what is the most logical answer. It points to an intelligent designer. Ngayon, kung sasabihin na perspective lang natin, that is not the case. Dahil itong mga measurements na to are, kumbaga, absolute naman itong mga measurements to, hindi naman subjective to, objective yung mga measurements, whether we're here or not. To invoke yung sinasabing, if I may add na lang, anthropic bias, wala rin namang nasagot doon on why these values are the way they are. Hindi rin naman na-explain doon And ang explanation ng fine-tuning points to intelligent designer is to allow for a life-permitting universe. Sana nasagot ko po.
Okay, I think that is the end of the debate, and thank you so much for supporting this event. Again, I'm inviting you to join us on the next events that we're gonna have. Just follow the roundtable, and thank you for your supports and gifts. And magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa inyong lahat.
Salamat po sa mga coin gifters ko po. Sana po wag lang ako, supportahan niyo din naman po si Overture. Give him coins as well. Wag po kayong bias. Opo. Kay Overture din po. Yun lamang po. Salamat po sa aking gifters. Kay Beauty, isa kang napakagandang dilag. Salamat po. Isang linggong papuri para sa iyo.